For the first time, renew and prepare locked VITESCO modules for another vehicle entirely through Diagnostics. This is the Extreme FBS4 VGS4-0 NAG2 tool by DiagCode. This is a VITESCO module that has already been personalized for another vehicle. We connect to the module with our computer and read the information. We can see that the module is activated and currently protected with locked firmware. This means the software is locked and certain functions are restricted. To verify this, we use Vediamo. We enter routine and select read serial number. As you can see, the process returns an error and fails to read the serial number. This confirms that the module is locked. Next, we perform one more test. We attempt to reflash the module using the same software version. We select this firmware version and press Flash. Again, the process fails with Flash process failed and condition not ready. This confirms that the firmware protection is active. Now we switch to the Extreme FBS4 VGS4-0 NAG2 tool by DiagCode and start the renew procedure. The system asks if we want to renew the module. We confirm with yes. Now we see that the software detects locked firmware and is trying to skip security. It's important to note that our diagnostic software works exclusively with Cantiacar hardware from DiagCode. Once the procedure is completed, the activated status disappears. The module is now initialized. No FBS data is stored. No VIN is stored. No ECU information remains. In other words, the used module is now fully prepared for learning and personalization to another vehicle, just like a brand new module. Extreme FBS4 VGS4-0 NAG2 tool by DiagCode. We continue where others stop.